My name is Lauren, and today I am going to show you a really quick craft that uses up some of your orphan socks that you have at home. So if you've got socks where there's only one of each, like this stripy guy or this one, you can turn these into fingerless gloves. All you need are your orphan socks and a scissors. So we are going to cut the nice long cuff part off here, which is really what we're going to use. So use your scissors. Sharper the better. And go ahead and use this to measure it against your second sock that you're going to use. To make sure that they're going to be even. Yep. Okay, so we've got our two socks cut. Go ahead and try it on and see where this is going to line up on your hand. What we want it to do is kind of go about where your fingers meet your hand. So if this is going to be here, we need to cut a thumb hole where your thumb meets. So I'm going to flip this over first of all because I don't want to mess up this nice cheetah print. This will be the back. So I want to cut my thumb hole right here. I'm going to pinch it, take my hand out. And now, go ahead and cut a slit. I like to cut it horizontally, but if you cut it vertically, that's okay. Socks are made of a knit fiber, so that means that they're going to stretch. So there we go. One glove complete. And let's try the other hand. I'm going to match it up again, trying to line it up, find out where our thumb joins. Another little cut. You can always go back and adjust your thumb hole too if it's not big enough. And there we go. A new pair of fingerless gloves. And if you lose these, it's not a big deal since they were upcycled clothing anyway. If you prefer to have yours matching, then just use some matching socks. My favorite ones to use, if you're going to make them matching, are ones where the heel is busted or the toes are busted, or you just can't use them well anymore. So I'll show you again how to do it with these. When you have something that's got stripes or horizontal patterns, horizontal means they go across instead of up and down. It's really easy because then you know exactly where to cut and how to follow it. Let's put it up a little closer to the knuckles so these will be nice and warm. Find your thumb where it joins, pinch, pull. And since this is a matching pattern, I can skip the part where I put it on my other hand and I can just cut. Of course, if they're your own socks, they're probably going to work better. Adult socks might be too big for a kid's hand, and kid socks might be too much for an adult hand. But go ahead and try it. And whatever you end up doing with your socks, I hope you enjoy it and they keep you warm. If you want some more ideas, you can go to our website at cheshirelibrary.org, or you can check us out on social media. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.